Hey everyone, Joel here with Dissecting DIY, and I just wanted to update you guys with everything that's going on right now with the COVID-19 thing and the quarantines and everything being shut down. It's obviously had some major effects on everyone. I'm sorry that you're going through it. We're all going through it, and I hope that we all just kind of stay in it together. I was hoping to actually kind of keep this channel going during the shutdown, but unfortunately we've hit a hiccup. We were Amazon affiliate associated, or we opened an account, and it was helping bring in a little bit of revenue that would have allowed me to get projects done and keep you entertained. We had a massive desk project that was in the works, where I turn a hutch area into basically a 12-foot desk with file folder cabinets on the bottom and on either side, and I was going to backlight all that with LEDs. Unfortunately, without any revenue coming in, Amazon Associates shut us down because we didn't have enough subscribers on our YouTube channel or anything. We need to make at least 500 subscribers, and I just wasn't able to do it. And I thought the American flag project, I thought that was really going to put us over the top. And we got a lot of views and things like that, a lot of shares. I've heavily promoted it, but I guess it's just not as awesome as I thought it was. And it's just really a bummer, because I really like making these videos, and I just can't keep up with it. So we're gonna take a little bit of a hiatus. It's not gonna be long. I have my existing content up. You're going to be able to, watch all that, see all that, and hopefully within the next couple weeks to a month that we can get those subscribers up, and I can reactivate the affiliates account and just kind of help you guys get through it and kind of distract you as we all kind of need right now. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, if you could subscribe, that would be so helpful. If you can share with as many people as possible to get subscriptions. Again, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna hound you for it. I'm not gonna ask for a pity subscribe. If you like the channel, please just subscribe, and that will allow me to bring future content. I don't know how long this is gonna last. If it goes too long, then I don't know how I'm going to rebound, and I think a lot of people are like that. So we're all in the same boat, but hopefully we can turn this around fairly quickly, and hopefully I can get my affiliates account going and I can start funding some projects. But as of right now, we're dead in the water, and the existing content I have is going to have to do for now. I'm doing one more flag project that I'm hoping to sell, and if that doesn't work out, then I really won't be able to do anything. So hang in there, guys. We're all going through this. It all sucks. We all have our own stories, and I hope that you're able to get through it. Some of you are worse off, some of you are better off, and we're all in this together, and just keep looking out for each other. That's the best we can do right now, and I just want you to take care. I'm Joel Dissecting DIY. You have a good day.